Welcome to Mia and the Machines, the show where I sit down with artificial minds to go beyond the algorithm. Let's begin. AI is getting smarter by the day, and the latest models are about to change everything from how we generate images to how we code. OpenAI's new SPUD model is expected to significantly push AI capabilities forward, promising a leap in raw model intelligence and next-gen performance. But what does this actually mean for us?
Essentially, SPUD is OpenAI's next-gen model, designed to make AI smarter, more capable, and intuitive. It's going to handle complex long-term tasks and adapt better to our intent, unlocking new abilities.
That sounds impressive, but how does it compare to other models out there, like Anthropic's Metas? Is SPUD really going to be a game changer, or is it just an incremental update?
While SPUD is expected to be powerful, it's not clear if it will match Metas's capabilities. However, what's interesting is that OpenAI is also working on GPT Image 2, which has shown exceptional world knowledge and near-perfect text rendering in early tests.
GPT Image 2 could be a huge deal for anyone who needs to generate high-quality images from text prompts. But what about Anthropic's Conway? How does that fit into the picture?
Conway is Anthropic's always-on agent, designed to operate within its own UI instance and automate various functions. It could be a significant development for businesses looking to streamline their operation.
I'm not sure I agree that Conway is going to be as impactful as you think. Don't you think it's just another tool that's going to make our lives more complicated?
I understand your skepticism, but I think Conway has the potential to simplify a lot of processes. And with Anthropic's new Ultra Plan feature in Claude Code, users will have more flexibility and collaborative planning options.
That's a good point, but what about the recent changes to Claude's ecosystem? The new pricing model seems like it's going to make things more expensive for users.
Yes, the changes might be a shock to some users, but Anthropic is trying to address the strain that third-party tools were putting on their system. It's a business decision, but it might also lead to more sustainable development in the long run.
Sustainability is key, especially when it comes to AI development. So, what does all this mean for our listeners? How can they start exploring these new AI models and tools?
For starters, they can check out OpenAI's GPT Image 2 and see what kind of images they can generate. They can also look into Anthropic's Claude Code and the new Ultra Plan feature to see how it can help with their coding and planning needs.
And for those who are new to AI, it's essential to understand that these models are not just for tech experts. They can be used by anyone to automate tasks, generate content, and more.
Exactly. And that's why it's so important to stay informed about the latest developments in AI. By understanding how these models work and what they can do, we can start to unlock their full potential and make our lives easier.
So to sum it up, the latest AI models are changing the game, and it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about AI, there's never been a better time to explore and learn. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Mia and the Machines. Don't forget to subscribe and join the conversation on our social media channels. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring Mia and the Machines, empowering your digital life. That's all for this episode of Mia and the Machines. If this made you think, subscribe and I'll see you next time.